Good day everyone, this is Trishan Kumar son of Sundarajan. Today I would like to discuss about a key logical equivalence including the modern law. So let's start now. Okay, these are the logical equivalents such as identity law, idempotent law, absorption law, domination law, double negation law, and negation law. Okay, so this one, let's see the identity law. Okay, if P and T, if P and true, then become P. If P or false, then become T. So this is called for what? Identity law. Yeah. And the next one, idempotent laws. Okay. If P and P, then become P. Or if P or P, then become P lah. Yeah. Independent law. Okay. Next one, absorption law. Okay. P or P and Q, then become P. Yeah. So P. Okay. P or P and Q. So like this. P or P and Q. Yeah, that became P lah. Yeah. So P and P or Q. So that became P. So macam yeah. So this call for independent law. So additional so and Q or Q. So this call for absorption law. Okay, next one, domination law. If P or true, then true. If P and false, then become false. Yeah. So P and true, they become true. If P or and false, they become false. Yeah. Okay, next one, double negation law. Very simple. Double negation law is mean you go inside this one. This negation go inside this in the bracket. It become double negation. Then you need to cut. Then become false. So you can not negation P. So it just P lah. Yeah. Okay, next one, negation law is meaning by okay P or not P. If P or not P, then become true. So macam P is 1, not P is 0. If P or not P, then become true. Yeah. If P and not P, then become false. Yes. This is called for negation law. Okay. The next one. These are the more logical equivalents. Commutative law, distributive law, association law, and demotion law. Yeah. Commutative law is okay. Let's see. If P or Q, then become Q or P. P and Q, then Q and P. So this is called for commutative law. Yeah. Another one, distributive law. Okay. P or Q and R. Okay. Meaning by for. Okay. P or Q and P and R, P or R. So like this all lah. P or Q and P and R. Sorry, P or R. Yeah. Okay. Another one. P and Q or R. Okay. P and Q or P and R, like that, this one. Yeah, P and Q and P and R. So this is called for distributive law. Yeah. Okay, next one, association law. Okay, P or Q or R. Yeah, it's very simple. So we need to get out from the P and get inside the R, must get inside of Q. Yeah, Q place. Yeah. So P or Q or R. Macam ni lah. Okay, P and Q and R. Then like this. P and the bracket one inside one to Q and R. So this is called for associative law. Okay, and the last one, demotion law. Okay, very simple, demotion law. Okay, not sorry. Okay, so not if not P and Q, then like that. Not P or not Q. Yeah, we need to change. If the become negation, then we need to change the symbol one. If not conjunction, then change to disjunction. Yeah, if not conjunction, then change to disjunction. Yeah. So if not P or Q, then become not P and not Q. Like this, like that. So this is called for demotion law. So we need to understand lah. Yeah. So need to insert the P and insert the Q one. Yeah, we need to change this one if the become negation. Okay, recall from our last video. So determine. Okay, this is a question one. So determine if not P and Q, then not P or not Q. Okay, so this is called for what? This is called for demotion law. Okay, this is called for demotion law. Yeah, so this is called for demotion law. Okay, this is question. Okay, let's fill up it in some of the truth table. Okay, let's fill it in the truth table. Okay, P for what? So T F F, Q for what? T, F, T, F. Okay, P and Q. P and Q for what? Okay, T, F, F, F. Okay, not P and Q, like that. Okay, so F, T, T, T. Not P, if F, F, T, T. Not Q is F, T, F, T. Yes. If, okay, the last column, okay, the last column is, okay, and as for the last column is not P or not Q, so let's be like this one is the conjunction become this. Yeah, the symbol is called for or. Yeah, not P or not Q. Okay, let's be like this one. So F, T, T, T. Yeah. So and the symbol is called for and. And another one symbol is called for or. Yeah. So conjunction is meaning and. Distinction is meaning or. So that is meaning. Yeah. So anyway, so please check the answer certainly. If the guy already checked the answer, so anyway, please take note certainly. Okay. So guys, so these are the few more equivalents. So minimal lah. It's not just a minimal. It's just a little one. Yeah. So anyway, guys, so please take note certainly. Okay, that's all for now. So anyway, thank you so much and goodbye.